Welcome to Cancun, one of the most beautiful and vibrant cities in the world. Located in the southeastern part of Mexico, Cancun is a popular tourist destination that attracts millions of visitors every year. The hotel zone is the place to be for visitors looking for exciting nightlife and entertainment. With countless restaurants, bars, and nightclubs to choose from, there's something for everyone in this bustling part of the city. The hotel zone stretches over 14 miles and boasts over 150 hotels, offering a variety of accommodations to suit any budget. The cost of a night in a hotel in Cancun can vary greatly depending on the location, season, and type of accommodation. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $50 to $500 per night for a hotel in Cancun. However, some luxury resorts can cost even more than $1,000 per night. It's important to do your research and compare prices before booking to find the best deal for your budget and travel needs. But Cancun isn't just about the beaches. The city has a rich history and culture, with a number of fascinating attractions for visitors to explore. One of the most popular is the Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the 5th century AD. Another must-visit destination is the Museo Maya de Cancun, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts from the ancient Mayan civilization. Cancun has several transportation options for visitors. Taxis are plentiful in Cancun and are a convenient way to get around. They are easily accessible from hotels, tourist areas, and the airport. However, it's important to negotiate the fare with the driver before getting in the taxi. Buses. Cancun's public bus system is inexpensive and covers most of the city. The buses are safe and air-conditioned, and the routes are easy to navigate. The main bus station is located in downtown Cancun, and buses run regularly to the hotel zone and other popular areas. Rental cars. Renting a car is a popular option for visitors who want to explore beyond the city limits of Cancun. There are several car rental companies located at the airport and in the hotel zone. The most popular is America Car Rental. In recent years, Cancun has experienced an increase in the amount of seaweed, also known as sargassum, that washes up on its beaches. This is a natural phenomenon that is caused by various environmental factors, including changes in ocean currents and water temperature. Local authorities and hotels in Cancun are working hard to manage the seaweed and keep the beaches clean for visitors. It's important to note that seaweed can be unpredictable, and its presence can vary from day to day and from beach to beach. However, most visitors to Cancun are still able to enjoy the beautiful beaches and clear waters that the area is known for. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, taking a ferry to Isla Mujeres is a must-do activity. Located just a short distance from Cancun, Isla Mujeres is a beautiful island with stunning beaches and a laid-back vibe. So come visit Cancun and experience the magic of this beautiful city for yourself. You won't be disappointed. If you're enjoying the Travel Tips channel, please hit that subscribe button and give my videos a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.